only should we fear the move toward socialism or fascism, we should also fear the movement toward wokeism and critical race theory and stuff like that. I mean, what the Marxist was saying that the rich people necessarily exploit the poor. Well, some rich do exploit the poor, but then some poor exploit the rich. The reason for exploitation has got nothing to do with you're rich or poor. Somehow if I employ you, I'm exploiting you? Nonsense. Whereas the critical race theory, instead of saying the rich exploit the poor, it's the whites exploit blacks, and men exploit women, and straights exploit gays and other such people, which is equally silly. Yes, some whites do exploit some blacks exploit some whites. The reason exploitation occurs, or what exploitation consists of, has got nothing to do with skin color. Martin Luther King nowadays would be canceled because he said we shouldn't judge people by the color of their skin. We should judge them by their character or by their ability or whatever. There was this guy, I forget his name, he was supposed to give a speech at MIT as to whether there's life on other planets. And they canceled him because he wrote in Newsweek, that the way we should hire people is based on their merits, based on their ability, not on their skin color or their sexual proclivities. And for that, he got canceled. I mean, yes, we should fear this. This is lunatic. Look, we want to get rid of COVID, don't we? Well, do we want laboratories that look like America? Or do we want laboratories with the best people, the best scientists in them? Well, obviously, if you want to cure COVID, you get the first team in there. You don't get the bench warmers. You don't get people just because of the color of their skin. I don't care if they have pink and blue skin and green skin. If they're competent, they should be in the laboratory. And if they're not, they shouldn't be. If we want to stop COVID, if we want to stop cancer, if we want to, save the world, if we want to save the environment, you need ability, not skin color. Skin color should be irrelevant.